All right, part 7, Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights Art Series Artwork 56 in progress. And it's Thursday, May 4th, 2023. I used a gray, light gray colored pencil to fill in all the writing here. It's kind of comparable to Kaiserr-Perminentay's website, which is completely inaccessible to people age upper 50s and older because they use light value, low contrast type. Same with massive amounts of hard copy materials, even their Medicare age handouts, booklets, what have you, that Medicare age members books and stuff they send every year, completely inaccessible, not designed to be readable, and not approved by any of their own optometrists and ophthalmologists for vision and eye health. Anyway, I make color in the background with like a pale yellow, kind of similar to that, but without all the ink and pencil fish scales there. Just have just the writing with the yellow background, and then I'm going to kind of outline some of the exterior imagery here, and stay tuned. That will be it. All right, to be continued. Stay tuned.